up, folks? We are out here at the Fontainebleau Miami Beach. We're checking it out right now. Just wanted to come through and see what it's like, see if it's similar to the one in Vegas. Obviously, this one was here before. So far, so good. Great hotel, great resort, I should say. And it has all the restaurants that the one in Vegas has. We're gonna grab some coffee right now and check out the rest of the property, so stay with us. Let's see what's up. This is what it looks like at the valet pickup drop-off area here at the Fontainebleau Miami Beach. They also have a location of Chez Bonbon, just like in Vegas. Here's what the main lobby area looks like, folks. Pretty impressive, to be honest. Up top there, you can see they have a Sinatra room and some humongous chandeliers here, which is really nice. In the corner over here, they have the Blue Bar, typical to Fontainebleau locations. Here's the options that they have for pastries inside the Fontainebleau's Chez Bonbon. They also have gelato over here. Alright folks, here's what it costs to get 2 sugar-free vanilla coffees here at Chez Bonbon in the Fontainebleau. I also got some honey madeleines here. Check it out. It's about $36. That's crazy. Across from Chez Bonbon, there is their steakhouse called Prime 54 here. Let's see what their menu looks like. This is definitely a high-end steakhouse here. They have wood-fired steaks here and then regular mains and sides. And as with all Fontainebleaus, their theming is on point. You can see their bow tie logo everywhere you go, even on the floors. Just in this corner of the property over here to the right as you come inside, you have the Live nightclub and lounge. Fontainebleau is a 5-star hotel here in Miami Beach. They also have a location in Las Vegas. Pretty new location, about a year and a half old right now. We just came to check it out because we're here in Miami. Wanted to see what it's like, compare it to the one in Las Vegas. If you want to see my video on the Fontainebleau Las Vegas, you can check it out. I'll leave the link in the description down below. So far so good. This property is really nice. We went around to check out the pool area. Because we have kids with us, they wouldn't admit us into the pool area. Keep that in mind. It's adults only here for the pools. You can come here without staying at the hotel and spend time at the pool. They do have a price on that. You pay to get to use and access the pool areas, get towels and so on. So keep that in mind as well. You have the option to do that even if you're not staying here, and you don't have to stay at the hotel to check out the property. You can come in, maybe grab food at the restaurant and so on. Those are all options for you even if you're not staying here. The property is really nice, definitely 5 stars. Even with me not staying here, I can tell you that it is a level above the AC Hotel in downtown Orlando that we just stayed at. We're gonna go out onto the Miami Beach boardwalk right now and go and check that out, and that's just out behind the Fontainebleau, behind their pool area. So let's go check that out, see what it's like, and we'll continue to explore the hotel as we go along and show you what else they have here to offer. Let's go check out Miami Beach. So you can see the pool area just outside there. These are some of the celebrities who have been to the Fontainebleau. I can make out Frank Sinatra. Here's what their pool area looks like. It's a really extensive pool deck, a section for families with kids, and then there's another section that's adults only. Fontainebleau Miami Beach. This is one of their towers here called the Sorrento. Finally made it to Miami Beach. Check it out. About to hit that water right now. There's a view of the Fontainebleau Miami Beach from the beach itself. We're on the Miami Beach boardwalk right now. We just wrapped up some beach time here at Miami Beach. It was really good. We're close to the Fontainebleau, as I just mentioned. We just went through the Fontainebleau pool area and headed out to the actual Miami Beach boardwalk and spent some time at the beach with my family, my daughter and my son and my wife. Great experience down here in Miami. We traveled down here from Orlando. We're wrapping it up right now. It's about 6:30 p.m. We have a Brightline connection train to connect us back to Orlando later tonight at about 10:30. That will get us back to Orlando at about 1:30 a.m. We're gonna have some dinner, check out the Miami Beach boardwalk, and then head back to Miami Central Station to go catch our train. Amazing experience down here in Miami. We always love to come here. Great city, great vibes. There's a lot of building going on in Miami right now, a lot of condos going up, a lot of construction from what I saw down in Brickell City Center and the Miami waterfront. The Bayfront Park area, the Miami Skywheel area. I can see that Miami is going places and will probably be an even more epic city in the future. We're definitely gonna return and check it out again in the future. What can I say? Definitely recommend. Come to Miami Beach, guys. It's a great experience down here. Good beach vibes, good weather. It was supposed to storm today. It didn't. Good thing I didn't follow the weather channel. It did start storming when we were leaving Orlando this morning early at like 6 a.m. However, by the time we got down to West Palm Beach and Miami area, it was totally fine. The sun was out. We were in Brickell City Center Mall for a bit and then it started raining again, but then it went away in like 20 minutes. That's how Florida is, you know. Thunderstorms come and then next thing you know, in an hour, bright and sunny again. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. Here's my beautiful wife behind me. Thank you guys so much for watching. We do appreciate you watching and we're gonna see you in one of our next videos here in South Florida. Take care and peace out from Miami Beach.
Peace out from Miami Beach.